Hi everyone. Today I will be showing you how to configure the mail settings and SMS settings. To set the mail settings, you have to go to the masters, click on mail settings. In the mail settings, you have to define the from mail ID, from whose mail ID the mail should be triggered to the employees or employee head. You need to enter the mail ID, your SMTP server of your mail server. Again, you have to enter the mail ID, use your password, and you have to give the port number of SMPT server and whether it is enabled with SSL or not. You have to set it and update. Once you have updated the mail settings here, the second option is you have to go to the employees, select the particular employees and go to the other details, enter their mail ID, respective mail IDs for their all the employees. You can update it and you can set the memos. Memos can be sent for the late coming, early going, missed out punch, half day. These are the memos which can be manually triggered. Once you select this option, you have to select the date. For example, I'll select the absentees and I'll select the date and say list. Sorry, and say list employees. It is going to give you the list of the employees. After that, you can send the mail to the either individual or summary. Summary will go to the head of the department and there is the option to send the mail. This is the manual process to send the memo. If you are looking for the auto mailer can be sent through the scheduler. You have to run the scheduler. In the scheduler, uncheck all the options. Select the mail options here. Send mail of late coming, early going, send mail notification for absentees. These two options are used for the employer, and below option is used for individual employees. Whether you want to send for the individual employees or you want to send for the departmental head, you can select here. After selecting this option, you have to set the time on which time the mail has to be triggered. You can select a particular time, then select last run as one previous day, and you need to start the scheduler. Once the scheduler is started on the particular given time, the mail will be automatically triggered to the particular employee or departmental head. Next option is SMS settings. SMS setting option, basically it is used in the especially for the school purpose. For example, if the parents are looking for the SMS when their child enters into a school, the SMS has to be sent to the parents. In that case, you can use this option. You have to purchase the URL, SMS URL, which is compatible with eTime track light. Before you purchase, take the demo link from the service provider and test it with the application. Once the test demo URL is working fine, you can go ahead and purchase it. You need to enter the URL here, enable the SMS for the new punch received in last 1 hour. In the last 1 hour, whatever the new punches are there, only that punches will be triggered. If you enable the second option, send only for a single punch. In a day, only the single punch will be sent for the particular employee or a student. This will be the format in what the SMS will be going. The SMS will contain the employee code, name, log date, and time. In the same way, you can send the SMS for the absentees. If the student or employee is absent, you can enable this option and give the begin time and end time on what time the scheduler should start. Select the last date here, one previous day, and save the settings. Once the settings are saved, once the employees start making the punches, the punches will be sent to the respective mobile numbers, or if the employees or students are absent on the given time, it will calculate and it will send a SMS to respective mobile numbers.
Take few seconds to subscribe our channel.